Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bani and today I'm here to do a makeup tutorial, and this is the look that I will be showing you today. We will be going with the rainbow look. So this is what you will see without the falsie, so that it's easy for everyone. Also, I will be giving you a number of tips in between. So let's begin with this look. So I will be doing a rainbow eye today. So let's begin. So I've washed my face and that's the basic thing that I've done. Nothing, no scrubbing, no masking, nothing like that. Just the face wash. The first thing that I would do is apply moisturizer. So I'm going to mention all the products on the screen, whatever I'm using, so that it's clear. Moisturizer and toner, I have applied it before this. So that's also another step that you want. If you guys want, you guys can add it up. Then comes face oil. Any face oil would do. I am using the normal priming face oil that I got from Winners. So you can use any, use high-end, basic, but something which is good, which is nourishing. Now a lot of you might think कि इतना सब करने की क्या ज़रूरत है, क्रीम लगा तो लिए ऑयल क्यों लगाएं? Because once you see that glow, तुमने काफी नोटिस करा होगा, कई लोग मेकअप करके ना उनके फेस पे ग्लो आता है, शाइन आती है, डल, क्रैकी, ड्राई सा नहीं लगता. दैट्स बिकॉज जो एक्चुअल मेकअप शुरू करने से पहले जो हम प्रेप करते हैं स्किन को, वो बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है, तो हमने प्रेप कर लिया है. अब नेक्स्ट चीज, आई हैव अप्लाइड वैसलीन ऑन माई लिप्स. यू कैन यूज एनी लिप बाम वुड डू. देन कम्स द प्राइमर. यू गाइज वांट अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर द फेस और जस्ट ऑन योर टी एरिया. First actual makeup product that goes on to my skin now goes foundation. A tip for foundation, go slowly, go little by little, because you can build it up later, but then if you've applied a lot, then it will be little difficult for minimalizing the whole thing. It will get little difficult. Also another thing, so if you're in the middle of the makeup and you think मुझसे गड़बड़ हो गई या ये हो गया, हर चीज मेकअप के बीच में ठीक हो सकती है, कुछ भी. Eyeliner खराब, eyeshadow खराब, anything. Yeah. Now again depends on the occasion you're getting ready for. If it is like a normal regular thing, just going out, you can use minimal, like really light foundation. I mean, this much is fine. And if you want heavy makeup, you can build it up. Also a tip, while choosing your foundation, go visit the store, apply it on your face like fully, and like do a makeup this thing. Ask the helper there, ask the makeup artist there that you would want to apply the foundation on your skin, and then go out, roam around in the mall. After done with all the shopping and everything, then see if it really suits you, because there are some foundation which actually oxidizes. Foundation done. Concealer. So this goes on to your affected area, your T-zone, under the eyes, and if needed anywhere extra to hide your this thing, spots or acne, anything like that. Okay, so there is this one particular concealer that once I go back to India, I'm gonna buy it, because मैं इस बार जब गई मैं लाना भूल गई थी. Last time जब गई थी, तो वो कीको मिलानो का है 03. तो वो मेरी स्किन के हिसाब से परफेक्ट है शेड, बट वो बहुत अच्छा है. तो वो एक बार ट्राई करना जब जाओ ना कीको, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कीको मिलानो है नहीं. नाउ देयर आर 2 ways to apply your base, right, and your concealer and everything, through brush or through beauty blender. Now why do I use beauty blender is, now people would be like कि extra हमारा waste हो जाएगा foundation, तो हमें brush से लगाना है and all of that, which is fine, but honestly how does beauty blender helps? जो भी extra foundation लगा होता है, कुछ भी केकी होता है, ये ब्लेंडर उसको पिक कर लेता है. सो ओनली द रिक्वायर्ड स्टफ स्टेज ऑन टू योर फेस, रेस्ट इज पिक्ड अप बाय द ब्लेंडर. सो दिस हेल्प्स. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द आईज. विल डू द eyebrows. So the brush that comes inside this, it sucks. It is very bad. So this is Pack 315 angular brush for your eyebrows. The one which comes inside this is way too bad. So you'll go very light in your inner corners from where the eyebrow starts, and then you have to go really sharp on the arc. This should have that edge and finishing. Same ways, you have to go light. If you've applied a lot of product on your brush, go on to your edge first, like the arc first. And when it comes to the eyebrows from below, I just fill it up very naturally. I don't really do like a proper lining below my eyebrows. Eyebrows done. Let's move on to the eyes. Okay, so for eyes today I'm using NYX palette, and I will be using the blending brush first. And like obviously you cannot wash your brushes every day, at least I cannot do it. So you can keep a wet wipe with you. So before you go with your makeup, just wipe it from wet wipe. Not because of bacterial or hygienic issues, only because whatever makeup color is already on the brush does not get mixed up with the one that you want to use it now. All clean. Okay, so now if you guys want to ask which eyeshadow palette should we invest in, so if there is this one palette that I want to choose, would be any of Huda Beauty, depending on the taste of your colors. You want to go with something which is bright, orangish, neon, you would go with those. Or if you want to go with something which is subtle, then you would go something with this, any of this. So depending on the colors that you would want to choose. But Huda Beauty, the pigments, the quality of the product is way too good. So today we are using NYX. So we'll take the first one. So I'm just gonna take this color and start putting it on my outer section. Just gonna dab, dab, dab. Take little more. Dab again. Same thing, I'm gonna do it on the other side. So guys, once I'm done doing both the eyes, I'm just gonna take whatever is there on my eyes, do it on my crease, like fully. And if you see anything extra going here and there, trust me, everything can be sorted, and in the end the results would be beautiful. So you don't have to worry once you start doing it. Same ways, I'm going to do it on the other side. Take whatever is there on your eyelid and spread it all across the crease. Done? Sorted? Now, I'm just going to take a little bit of it and clean, not completely, but just my lower lash. Now, I will take any concealer that you have that is easy to use, and if not, then you can use a brush. Just gonna apply the concealer on the 3/4 of the lid. So you'll start from the inner corners and do it till 1/4 of the eyelid is left, and make sure to not go above the crease. So once this is done, you will take any flat brush and spread it evenly. Then there is no point putting up the pink eyeshadow, right? If you would cover everything. Just gonna give a little bit of finishing on the outer corners. Now I will take the yellow one. And if this is little light, you can obviously mix it up with the mango yellow. And trust me, if you want to ask me the best yellow eyeshadow, it will be in Huda Beauty's. Use any yellow. I will be using this one to, you know, have that extra effect, because this one's more pigmented. So I'm just using my fingers. You can use your brush and put this in the inner corners. So I'm just going to take these two yellows, the first two ones, mix it up with my fingers and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. You will repeat the step and build it up, this yellow color, till the time you don't have a clear vision. Now in between my yellow and pink, I will apply orange. So there is this one orange which you can apply, and there is this another one. Just gonna check which one looks better. I'm just gonna use the orange, the third color in the first row. Just gonna apply it in between yellow and pink, so that there is this transition color. So guys, after I am done with the eyes, I'm just going to use little bit of concealer again under my eyes. So because if there are any fallouts or anything, just gonna blend it and make it clean. Also, I've wiped. Make sure you do that first before applying the concealer. So guys, I'm just gonna use Fit Me's loose finishing powder. Okay, just gonna complete the eye look by finishing up the lower lash line. Now for that, so under the yellow part, I'm gonna put yellow, then comes orange, and then comes pink. Similarly, I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner, like not a thick one, but a very thin one with the cat eyes. Without the falsies, we'll complete this look. The reason being, there are two reasons. A, there are a lot of people who cannot apply false eyelashes, so I want people to like enjoy this look without the mehnat, without the falsies, and can go out enjoy this without putting on the fake eyelashes. Secondly, I can give you a tip where you'll actually get that feel of fake eyelashes with your real eyelashes. Yeah, so take any good mascara. You can use Better Than Sex from Too Faced. You can use the one which is from the pink one from Maybelline, and the yellow one from L'Oreal. That is what I can remember it now. So anything which is good, gives you volume, use that. So just gonna take that and apply a single curl all over your eyelash. Also, you have to do it on the lower lashes. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds once your eyelashes are there in the curler. 5 seconds would be great. After you're done with this, you will go with the round 2 of reapplying it, pressing it in the opposite direction. And only on the above eyelashes, huh? The second round goes only there. So lower lash पे सिर्फ एक बार करना है. I'm gonna press it again. 5 seconds. So guys, I'm done with the eyes. Eyes are done and sorted. We are left with 4 things. So the first one goes my blush. So people do contour first and then blush. So you can do either of the ways. If you are pro, trust me, you can go really opposite also and it will be all fine. Now the best way to use your blush is to use it near your temple and just below your outer corners. Only till here and not really on the apple of your cheeks. You just have to make half C and not complete it. Little bit on the center of the nose and that's it. You can build it up obviously as per the occasion. So it comes along with the brush. Let's begin with the nose. Just gonna contour my sides. Not my sides, but the sides of my nose. Now what is the key? I'll give you another tip. People like, हम भी करते हैं पर वो होता नहीं, वो फील नहीं आती, हमारा काला हो जाता है फेस, या हम करने जाते हैं तो हमारा ओवर पिंक हो जाता है, जो भी. तो टिप ये है कि तुम्हें ब्लेंड करते जाना है जब तक लाइन दिखनी बंद हो जाए, जब तक 2 कलर्स आपस में मिक्स कर जाएं. There should not be 3 lines like contour, blush and highlighter. It should be like a one complete product but with different transitions, doing their own thing. Now once you're doing your chin area and your lower and your jawline, make sure to come down and not go up. You can definitely go sideways like I am doing and then bring it down onto your neck area. So this is a jelly based highlighter just like for Sally and very good. I think this is from their limited edition in Christmas because I got this one in December. I don't know if they still have it, but you guys can check it out. So you will go on the bridge of your nose, onto your eyebrow bone, on your cupid's bow and above your cheeks. these are the area that you will cover. Just gonna blend it using your fingers. So guys, for my lipstick I'm using Lakme 95, which is in Blush Velvet. So guys, remember, if you have loud eyes or bright eyes, go with more neutral shades of lip shades or lip glosses. Any would do as per your preference or taste. So guys, we are done with the makeup look. This is the makeup look. Let me just show you in front of the windows. You'll have a better view. So guys, this is how the eyes look. This is how the makeup looks. And this is the makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see more such videos, makeup tutorials, put it down below in the comment section. The regular ones, the different transitions with eyes, the one that you can use, the simpler ones, or anything, put it down below and I will do it. Okay? And like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.